Now we will look at the subscriber. We'll go back to our solution. If you notice here, we have the handler executed now, and the handler raises the event called customer added. So if we go to the endpoint, we have our subscriber configured to listen to the handler endpoint. So whatever events are being fired from the handler will be fetched by the subscriber, and the subscriber has we have the bus gamma default subscriber. So that is N service bus implementation, that in turns call the subscriber, which is a dependency in the bus gamma subscriber. So this is the subscriber. I send email customer added. If you go to the code, so this is configured in the common messages. So all the subscriber interfaces will be available in the messages, which is used commonly across all the other solutions. So I customer added subscriber is there, which inherits I am flex subscriber, and it will call the execute method. So let us go to the subscriber now. So the bus gamma subscriber receives the event here customer added, and it will call the subscribers execute method. The way it is written like this, because again we are decoupling from the bus. The logic lies with the subscriber file here, and this can be swapped with any other bus implementation. So for N service bus implementation, we need to stick to their signature. So we create the all the message handlers according to what N service bus needs, and for the business logic, all goes to the subscriber project. So here customer added event is being received, or we can say subscribed, and you write any of the condition here. Same way we have the condition here. So for condition on success, usually we use it by default, but you can have any other thing. So whatever condition you prefer in your diagram in the studio, you can enable that event. So once the event is enabled, the specific condition is fired. So this on success actually should match with the method name here. So based on the method only, whatever condition comes, it will call the appropriate handler. So you can have multiple raise event on any of your specific condition. So this ends our subscriber. These are the basic implementation just to get started. So I understand you may have more questions, more things will come up. So as we go along, we will have more depth into each of the functionality.